hey, what's going on? So I just purchased this tail light right here from Amazon, and it's a LED tail light. Gives it a different look to the bike. Should be a lot brighter as well. I'm going to be removing the other one right now, and we'll see how it goes. So we're back here on the tail light. The tail light should be fairly easy to remove. We only got 2 screws, one on each side. Okay, so it looks like we just have one plug, and I believe you push and pull. Just one. That's it.
After doing the removal, this right here, this connection is not the same as the one that you received from Amazon. So it does come with the extension, and the extension, you're gonna have to use these 3 cables right here, and you might want to remove this one, or actually it did come with this one. Just got to make sure that you put the cables in the right spot, so you have your ground first. So you got to put them in the right order. Let me do that real quick. All right, so that was really easy to do. Basically it's ready. Just have to clip them on. Make sure they lock in place. Make sure it's plugged in when you hear that click. I'm not going to be installing the turn signals at the moment, so we'll just be going with the regular brake light. I'm gonna get black tape for this. All right. See how it looks on. Perfect. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys. That was really easy to do. You can do that in about 5 to 10 minutes, no more than that. But yeah, definitely gives it a much better look than having this old stock one. Still keeping the bike with the classic look pretty much. Still want to keep it a little bit classy, just switching things up a little bit.